Good morning, everyone. I am Nurhaifa Sahi, BS and Weekend 1. Today, I will be doing the assessment of the head, face, and neck. But before that, first, I will knock on the door to respect the privacy of the patient. And then, after that, after I did all knocking the door, I already do the hand hygiene, I wore mask to ensure my safety and the patient. So now, I'm going to introduce myself to the patient, and I'm gonna ask also the identity of the patient. So, as what I've said earlier, I've already did the hand hygiene, and now I'm doing the introduction and identification of the patient. Hi ma'am, good morning. I am Nurhaifa Sahi. I will be your student nurse for today. May I know your name?
Chen Crisostomo.
When is your birth date, ma'am?
November 5, 1996.
November 5, 1996. Okay. Is it okay? I will check your wrist, ma'am, and check your bands. Okay, thank you, Ma'am Chen. And now, I will be explaining to the patient the consent and explain the procedure that I will be performing the head, face, and neck assessment. Ma'am, I will be doing a assessment today, which is the head, face, and neck. This will involve looking, touching, and checking the measurement of the areas mentioned of the head, face, and neck. This will take around 5 to 10 minutes, Miss Crisostomo. And then the patient is positioning and comfort. The patient is positioned in the sitting upright to the examination in the bed. So I've already closed the privacy curtain of the patient. So now the lighting is okay. So I will be doing the head assessment now. So for the head assessment, I'm gonna check the shape of the head of the patient. And then the size of the patient should be normocephalic. So it's normal cephalic. The symmetry, the face of the patient is not drooping, the face of the patient is normal. Because when the face of the patient is drooping, there is a tendency that the patient has a stroke. So what I am doing right now and what I did an assessment now, the patient face is not drooping. So it's normal. And then there's no abnormalities, lung lesions, no deformities. And then I'm gonna inspect also the scalp of the patient. No lesions, no dandruff, no lice. So the hair of the head of the patient is normal. And then now, we will be doing the face assessment. Inspection of the face, observe facial expression for symmetry. As what I've told earlier, the face of the patient is normal. There is no drooping, nothing. And then inspect the facial skin for lesions like rashes, edema, or no, it's all normal. And then palpation of the face of the patient. Palpate temporal arteries. The temporal arteries of the patient. We will also need to check we will need also to check the temporomandibular joint of the patient. The temporomandibular joint of the patient, which is what we call the TMJ. TMJ. Here, place finger and close the mouth. So it's normal. And then after that, we will be doing the inspection of the neck. So for inspection of the neck, we will observe for the symmetry, swelling. The position of the trachea should be in the midline. The position of the trachea should be in the midline. So place finger on other side of the trachea. Ensure trachea is the center mobile. Trachea. Stand behind the patient. And then ask the patient to swallow water. So assuming this is the water, can you swallow little water, ma'am? And this is the water. Yeah? So now, can you swallow all? So it's normal. And then, we will check here, side of the patient, here. The collarbone of the patient, there is no lymph nodes. Using palpate, using pads, circular motion. This is the preauricular, is in front of the ear. We have also the occipital, which is the base of the skull. This is the mandibular. The lymph nodes should be non-palpable. So as of now, there's no lymph nodes, nothing. The neck of the patient is normal. It's soft, non-tender, and everything is normal. And we need to do the neck range of motion, range of motion. I'm gonna instruct the patient to perform the following. We will need to do like this. Can you do like this? You do like this. And also like this again. Like this. Like this. And also earlier I forget to tell that I need to do some. Can you frown? Like this. Ganito po nga. Ganyan. Smile. Smile. Close your eyes. And itaas niyo po yung eyebrow niyo. And then, okay naman po. And then the rotation, turn head left to the right. Ganyan po, ma'am. Yes. So, now I'm gonna inform the patient that the assessment is complete. Are you okay, Miss Chrysostoma?
Yes.
So I ensure the patient that she is in a comfortable and safe position. So I'm gonna remove my gloves and do the hand hygiene again. And then I'm gonna tell my patient that Miss Chrysostoma, don't worry if there is something. This will be confidential with me and the physician. They are attending physician only. And then I'm gonna document all my findings, normal or abnormal findings, head, face, and neck, lymph nodes, range of motion, and cranial nerve assessment. So head is on as of now, normal documentation, like for example, head is normocephalic, traumatic, scalp clean, no lesions, facial features symmetrical, cranial nerve 4 intact, TMJ non-tender, no crepitus, neck symmetric, trachea midline, thyroid non-palpable, cervical lymph nodes non-palpable, and non-tender. Full range of neck motion without pain. Cranial nerve is intact. So, thank you so much, Miss Crisostomo. Thank you. So, I am gonna remove my gloves and do the hand hygiene.